All the ghettos around the world. Dig this. Ghetto Fabulous Joe. Shut
all
it.
the children say there's a world out there that I wanna see. There's a man that I'm destined to be. I won't be stopped by the ghetto streets. I believe inside that I can be beat. This life could be a ball and chain if you let yourself get caught in the game. I had some friends sold drugs for dough, but I don't intend to go down that road.
Just because I'm a ghetto child, I won't live down to your expectations.
No.
Around the world, dig this.
One day I'm gonna change the world, make a better place for every boy and girl. Everyone in need, homeless families, have a place to sleep and food to eat. I'll take every gun off the street so another tear won't be shed in grief. And every thug in every hood, I will make them change from bad to good. I believe that it can be done, gotta start somewhere. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When I first saw her, she was looking like an angel light. She brought me to me mind like a dynamite. She flashed like a lighter in any candlelight, and then she said,
all this on me.
yeah, you know, so when you move your body, hold them tight. Make it no drop to hurt nobody, make it a watch your side. I beg you, pick up, get no be fight. And then she said,
all this on me. Boy, you know, say if I give you body, you go search it. You know, go fit, rock the MIC, cause you go lose control. Hey,
with your busy body, you go search it.
I
go to still rock the MIC. I no go lose control.
boy, you go lose control.
Can I go lose control?
Boy, you go lose control. I will tell you one when I grab you to the break of dawn. You go lose control.
Busy body.
If I catch you, I will tell you one when I grab you to the break.
We tuwi kuruka maitho Niki mwana ndagira karo uyu ndakura toyo angejitikira no ndimuhikie. Okay ori wario uhoro wa uhiki ni wandirikania undu ungi ngoretwo muno ngiciria uhoro wa muiretu uriku Kate uriku uyu umwe kuma riria ndagire accident. Kate akoretwo akindora takana atekunoga kana gu complain. She is cheerful, ever smiling. In fact, ena quality ciothe iria mundu othe angietha he mutumia. Niki wagikira ndakira tondu no ariama tareke nguria atiriri, are you sure about your feelings? Very sure. Then thiumire uri uraigua ucio niguo thina tondu ni njui kurega egwiciria ndiramwenda tu tondu ndirateirwo ni Jane. Okay ninguthii gwake wira-ini na ngerie kumugwetera uria wanjira, but only on one condition. Iriku? Okay, ni njui no mwirutu uria wahituka hari wamwona umwire I like her very much. Is a deal.
Oh, I remember the first time I saw you.
Kajira ntiriri ndani. Ni kwari murahagia na Kevin ura wanjira kana ni gukwira akwirire uke unjire ura wanjira?
Well, aranjirire njuke ngwire. So, ureciria atia?
maundu maingi muno. You see Dan, ninyendete Kevin muno. I mean, I like Kevin very much. No ndideciria uhoro wa kumuhikia. And by the way, korariganirwo ni mendanite na Jane.
Oh, kids. That was then. This is now.
Nijui.
No rakiuria uhoro wa tene niki.
Dan, I don't know what to do. Ndiramenya kana ni kumaka kana ni kurakara. I am confused.
Well, like ndimwire mauga you are amazed.
Exactly. Ndiomwire I'm amazed. My God. Ndiyo gucoka kuigua thoni ndamuona. Ona ndiye kana ni gucoka guthii kumuteithia. Thank you God. Ndiyo guoko gwake ni ta kuhona.
Oh kids. Tiga kuigufuta we mwana.
But for sure atajira atiriri. Niki giatumire Jane atige Kevin.
Oh. Money of course.
But money is not everything.
Kids. Money is not everything. Kate, utono warega kunjira uria ndirenda ri. Ndarikia kumenya uria umenete.
Oh, ndikumenete ona hanini Kevin. In fact, I like you very much and you know it.
Do I know it?
Yes, you do.
Oh, no.
Doni wada gutungatire. Rĩrĩa warĩ na accident. Kodia kwendete ri. Nĩkĩ kiri ũguo?
Thina wĩ harĩ.
Thina nĩ ũrĩa andũ mekwaria. Andũ mekuga atĩ I married my best friend's boyfriend.
The fact that tutinahotana na Jane, ti ati tutingihotana nawe. Jane na niĩ rĩu ni past tense. Besides, maũndũ ta maya nĩ mahanĩkaga kaingĩ.
Ngũrie kĩũria o kĩmwe. Why choose me? Ũrarega gũcaria mũirĩtu ũngĩ nĩkĩ?
Kate, I have known you for years. Na ndageria kuririkana wega. Niwe ndagerirwo nĩ gũcagũra right from the beginning. Rora haha Kate. Ndahingirwo maitho nĩ weru wa Jane. Ngĩaga kuona ũru wake na ũmaraya ũrĩa warĩ ngoro-inĩ yake. But right now, nĩndorete ngoro yakwa wega. Na ngona atĩ we nĩwe wĩho.
Nĩngwĩciria ũhoro ũcio.
Ũguo noguo ũnjĩrĩte mĩthenya mĩingĩ.
Honestly, nĩngũkũhe haja kahinda gatarĩ kũraihu. Kevin.
Yes. Oh, how are you?
Marũa maya nĩ maku.
Moi maku. No akone.
Nĩ mũndũ wanengũnengere. Kevin, I've been praying and thinking over your request to marry me. Finally, I've seen the answer from God. As with God I had sins, I like you and you are a good person, but I'm too shy to tell you that I've agreed face to face. Therefore, I'm writing you this letter to tell you that I have agreed. May God bless us and see us through as we agree to spend the rest of our life together.
Thank you toro wako jitikira. I promise to love you forever. I'll be the best husband for you. Thank you. I say once again, thank you.
Hello. Hi, how are you?
I'm very fine.
Welcome. Yes.
Oh, hello, Uncle.
Hello, welcome. Sit down.
Thank you.
Well, Mr. Kevin. Arata ni murahikanira uri uri. Mwagire gukora mu vitani mu. No uri. Besha mukurutako. Na iyo murahina kino murahudurire video ikiwanyu shiore.
Ogwo ni matanko. Kodi na besha. Kiratwarire kiti Mombasa, Malindi, Lamu. Kuwothe.
Don't worry, my dear. Rĩrĩa tũkagĩa mbeca nĩ ũkandora kũu guothe ona twagĩa ciana ikũmi.
Damn.
Yes.
Oh my dear. Hey.
That's funny. Kate, ndamuta gukunondo wa maundu meri. Wa mbere ndenda kumenya we Kevin ni atia wikaga ni undu wa living kana muturire wako. Na uria ukuhota kuiga wega mutumia we wako. Uria ni mwari wa my sister.
Well, ni ndutaga tumawira tuingi haha na haria twagutuhotithia kuona gia kuria. Tau ni ndutaga ibarua cia gucinirira cuma, ni ndutaga mawira ma ibarua cia miako, na ringi riria maembe na makorobia maingiha akuria migunda-ini ni ngiraga ngarehe guku town o njira-ini imwe ya gwetha gia kuria. But mawira maya mothe ndutaga in large scale.
I see. Hii ni gitumi kiria gatumaguria kiuria kiu.
Asha, uncle.
Ni tondu ndingienda ona hanini vitu wa my sister akanona thina onari.
Oh, no, uncle.
Riu reke njuke gitumi giakwa gia keri gia kumwita guku. Niĩ ndagĩire mbeca ndĩ mũnini ta inyuĩ. Igani yanga ciana ciakwa igĩrĩ irĩ mũrĩmo na nĩ njũĩ nĩ muoyo ũguo. Na rĩu niĩ nĩhurũkĩte gũkorwo ngĩhang'ania na biacara mũno. Well, rĩu nĩ ndĩreciria kũmũhe kanyamũ kanini ga kũmũhe a push in your life.
Thank you, uncle. Thank you very much, uncle. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kevin,
Mwagi bro.
here is a check, Mr. Kevin. Here shilingi 500. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. Thank you. God bless you.
Ndiwega Ngai. Ndagucokeria ngatho. Mundu wa kuhe mai. Imwe mwego. Na ngoro theru na njego. Tarutia Ngai.
Thank you, Uncle. God bless you.
Ndiyakuhe wega wako. Akuhe utugima mwega wa mwili. Akuongerere matuku. Akuigihirie kuongerere.
Thank you. Thank you, Uncle. Thank you, Uncle. Thank you.
Are you okay? Kate, are you okay? Are you okay? Kate, are you okay?
Siria Dina
Dukanirire ngoma itika igue. Kate, this is my happiest moment in life.
First I get cold and hot, think I'm on fire, but I'm not. Oh, what a pain I've got. It must be love. There's nothing I can do. All that I want is you. Look what I'm going through. It must be love. It must be love, love. It must be love. I fall like a sparrow, fly like a dove. You must be the dream I've been dreaming of. Oh, what a feeling, it must be love. Something is wrong, alright, I think of you all night. Can't sleep till morning light. It must be love. Seeing you in my dreams.
Yes, darling. Niki business card ya my boss. Ira kamondo ni yako.
What? Niki weka handbag ni yako.
Kumathaga maciringi makuriha mundu wa gatheti. Ireka atia in your handbag.
Ana ngariria ndokite gukuona wabici-ini. In fact, twatungania staircase ini.
Na ndwanjirire niki?
I forgot.
Warigire gutumira kiongo niki? Look, my boss is a womanizer.
Na ningiamenyire atia? Ingiamenyire naki?
Look, ndikwenda gukana kuona hakuhi na my office.
Hey, niki urageria go protect?
Negani mo yako.
What?
Give me my phone. Nenda
Yana yako nini
yako. Ikana thine. Jane! Jane! Karaha. Jane, donana baya my boss mwenyewe. Ureka atia nayo?
Nothing. No umedharia if you want.
Jane, ndĩrenda ũnjĩre ma. Nĩmũkoretwo mũkĩaria na my boss?
Niĩ ndũkae kũnjigĩra maũndũ maingĩ. I don't call him and he doesn't call me.
Jane! 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 Nĩmaita maigana ndagwĩta? Ndagwĩta maita maigana? Nĩ wega. Nĩ wega mũndũ amenyage nĩ weũ na kũrĩa oimĩte. Take your phone. Na ũmenye I'm watching you.
Don't you ever wish you were someone else? You were meant to be the way you are exactly. Don't you ever say you don't like the way you are. When you learn to love yourself, you're better off by far. And I hope you always stay the same, 'cause there's nothing about you I would change. I think that you could be whatever you wanted to be if you could.
Hi darling. Hi darling.
Hey, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Hey. So, ino niyo business trip ya Mombasa. Ili urajirire ni urathiĩ thukũ igĩrĩ. For God's sake. Ici nĩ thukũ inya. Where have you been?
Oh honey. We nĩ ũhoro wa biacara. Indo iria ndĩrenda itirarĩ cleared from the board. Ndĩratuĩka forced gũikara thikũ ingĩ igĩrĩ. In fact, ona rĩu ndinahota kũgũra tondũ itirarĩ cleared.
So what happened thimũ yaku? Why was it put off?
My phone. In fact, ndakinya Mombasa ũguo. Thimũ yakwa noguo yatuĩkire mteja. Ona ti yakwa nyika tondũ nĩndaiguire andũ aingĩ mũno magĩcomplain. Kwaria ma, kuma rĩrĩa ndathire Mombasa, ngerethiĩte maita 40 gũkũnyita, but I could not come through. Oh honey, hug me now. Kana ndĩrĩ mũkana nĩkũnya.
Oh, tigana nani. Jane, ni uni ndaũrire thimũ mũkawa-inĩ ũrĩa wanjĩrĩte ũrathiĩ gũikara. Na makĩnjĩra you checked out the following morning.
Oh, ndonire mũkawa ũcio wĩna goro mũno. Ngĩcenjia ngĩthiĩ ũngĩ wĩna raithi.
Jane, how comes my boss yonake ndararĩ wĩra-inĩ mĩthenya yothe ũrathiĩte?
No mũhaka amenye?
Yes, no mũhaka ũkorwo nĩũĩ.
Coincidence maybe.
But how comes ndahũra thimũ reception? Manjĩrire mũndũ ũrĩa mwachekire nake off ahanaga ta my boss.
Oh, nĩguo akwĩrire?
Yes, nĩguo anjĩrire. You see? Ndakwĩrire mũthenya ũmwe mano ĩkeyonania. I'll kill you. Otara gĩcoroko. Go get lost. Na ndikana kuona nyũmba ĩno yakwa rĩngĩ, stupid woman.
You ever wish you were someone else? You were meant to be the way you are exactly. Don't you ever say you don't like the way you are.
better off by far. And I hope you always stay the same. 'Cause there's nothing about you I would change. I think that you could be whatever you wanted to be if you could realize all the dreams you have inside. Don't be afraid if you got something to say. Just open up your heart and let it show you the way. Don't you ever wish you were someone else? You were meant to be the way you are exactly. Don't you ever say you don't like the way you are. When you learn to love yourself, you're better off by far. And I hope you always stay the same. 'Cause there's nothing about you I would change. Believe in yourself. Reach down inside. The love you find will set you free. Believe in yourself. You will come alive. Have faith in what you do. You'll make it through. Oh,
What will I do now? Leo niĩ ngwĩka atĩa? Ndĩrĩhĩte hotel room ĩrĩa ndĩraikaraga for 1 week. Na ngui ici cia arũme gũtirĩ irahe mbeca ingĩ kũndũ nacio. Hey, Martin, nĩ atĩa kĩte nake? Ararĩ okeira na ndarĩ aroka. Rĩu nayo food ĩno ya mũndũrũme eri ĩrahenia nĩkĩ? No mũhaka ndĩmĩte. I must call him. No mũhaka ahe mbeca. After all, nowe watũmire nyingatwo nĩ mũthuri wakwa. I must call him. Andĩhĩre room ĩrĩa ndĩraikara. Arega kũndĩhĩra room ya hotel ĩrĩa ndĩraikara. Ngũsnake itarĩhĩte na njũre. Hey, na kaĩ hihi ũrĩa ũgire arũme nĩ nyamũ nĩ kwaria ciaragia. Kaĩ ndahĩtĩtie. I must call him. Hello, Martin.
Hello?
Martin, this is not fair. Nitire na mbeca na hotel management nĩrenda mbeca ciao cia wiki ĩmwe.
Jane, go back to your husband. Rĩu niĩ nĩndĩkanĩtie nawe. And I'm sure mũthuri guo nĩegũgũcokia mũciĩ.
Ũngiuga ũguo nĩkĩ? Of course you know ndangĩnjĩtĩkĩra. When I tried to go there, anjirie nĩekũnjũraga. Na nĩ kaba niĩ ndĩgũrage handũ hakoragwo nĩ mũndũ. I'm begging you please.
Do me a favor. Caria mũthuri ũngĩ wa kwenderea nake. Already niĩ nĩndĩkanĩtie nawe.
I'm begging you please Martin. Please Martin.
Nginyanagia na hau niĩ nĩndĩkanĩtie nawe.
Martin,
you heard me Jane. Mũndũrũme ũmwe ndangĩhota kũrĩha mbirũ ciothe cia mũtumia. Reke ũngĩ rĩu arĩhange.
Excuse me?
Kana ũreciria ndiramenya Tony mundu rumi uri uturaga nake tauni ino.
May God punish you. Hello? Martin? Hello?
Don't you ever wish you were someone else? You were meant to be the way you are exactly. Don't you ever say you don't like the way you are. When you learn to love yourself, you're better off by far. And I hope you always stay the same, 'cause there's nothing about you I would change. I think that you could be whatever you wanted to be, if you could realize all the dreams you have inside. Don't be afraid if you got
Uy atia. Jane nyarokire.
Jane.
Yes. Aroka ku. Guku. Riu eko wao. Andu marauga ati eko murume atuikire mumaraya muru muno. Nginya kiambiriria guthie na bosi ya murume. Na riu turaria haha. Bosi eyo ni afutire murume wira.
Oh my God. Hey. Oh my God.
Hey. Nake murume araigata Jane. Na riu Jane ni mute. She is divorced.
Anyway, ucio ni uhoro wake. As you make your bed, so you should lie on it.
So, you mean drama kioni huko?
Dan, why should I be bothered? Why should I mind? Leo ni hikanetie. Keti ni mutumia wako. And I'm happy.
In fact, wangu niko goda kuya.
I'm happy.
Kila tujirosha.
Why have you left the one you left me for? As you heard like me that slamming door. Did you leave for good or just get bored? Why have you left the one you left me for?
Stop the car, stop! You have to stop!
Urenda kukuthena ngari?
Hey, urauga nduramenya my baby? Nduramenya? Urauga nduramenya? Hey!
Ndirakumenya. So what? Hera barabara hituke kana ngurange.
Siendi ni kanyange.
Okay.
Dehera. Yes.
Get up. Get out of my God. Get out of my God. Get
say get out. Get out. Get out. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? I say get out. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. I say get out. You hear what I said?
Oh baby, my lovely boy. Kawariganĩirwo nĩ niĩ. Mwah! Mwah!
Oh, nitaona ni watu ikile ngoma. You are a witch. Get away from me. Get away from me. I say get away.
Kevin. Ogwa nĩguo agĩrĩirwo kũruka mũtumia wake gũcokerera. Ogwa nĩguo. Tell me. Jera, Kevin. Ogwa nĩguo agĩrĩirwo kũruka mũtumia wake gũcokerera. Ogwa nĩguo. Jera, tell me. Jera.
Jane, get off me. Get off me.
Kevin, I love you Kevin. Wendo waku ndũkauma thakame-inĩ yakwa. Wĩ wakwa na niĩ ndĩ waku. Kevin, I love you. You are my moonlight, my sunshine, my world. Ũtarĩ ho niĩ ndirĩ ho.
Nike Jane, you are a witch. You are a witch.
Please Kevin, tiga kũmena. Njohera marĩa mothe ndagwĩkire. Niĩ ndiũĩ nĩkĩ kĩarĩ kĩũru na niĩ. Njohera Kevin, ndiamenyaga ngĩka maũndũ macio mothe. Kevin, we nowe mũico wakwa. Please, we nowe ũngĩninĩra gĩconoko kĩrĩa gĩothe ndĩ nakĩo. Njohera marĩa mothe ndagwĩkire. Please Kevin. Kevin, please. Njohera marĩa mothe ndagwĩkire. Ndiamenyaga ũrĩa ndĩreka. Please forgive me.
Jane, tigana na niĩ. Rĩu niĩ nĩhikanĩtie. Na thikĩrĩria haha. Ndingĩhota na ndirĩ hĩndĩ ngahota gũtuĩka waku rĩngĩ.
Ndagũthaitha Kevin, warega kũhikia, niĩ no ndĩũragire. Njoe mũkanda ndĩite kana ndĩikie rũĩ. Please Kevin. Kevin, read my lips. It's either you or I'm dead.
Definitely. Ndigũthikĩrĩria ũrimũ ũcio wĩnaguo rĩngĩ ona hanini. Ehera mbere ya ngari yakwa. Kana ngũkinye. Ndũre njĩra ndĩna gĩkeno. Oh yes. Yes.
Kevin, rũciũ thaa thita nĩngagweterera na harĩa gathaka-inĩ harĩa twacemanagia twĩ secondary school. Please, ndũkanage gũka. Ndikauma hau ũtokĩte.
we no wĩingĩra thiri yakwa na harĩ ũndũ ndĩrenda gũkũ. Nĩ gĩkĩũru Kevin. Dan, I'm still in love with Jane. Kevin, kaĩ mũgũrũku? Aca, ndirĩ mũgũrũku. No kuma twacemania nake ira, ndarĩ arauma meciria-inĩ makwa. Ndaire ngĩmwĩciria ũtukũ wothe, which is a terrible thing that I'm doing to Kate. Angemena maisha make mothe. Oh my God. Dan, I'm confused. Ndiramenya ũrĩa ngwĩka. Please, advise me. Kevin, eheria meciria ma Jane kĩongo-inĩ gĩaku. Immediately. No advice, no instructions, or any other way to do it than that. Na weke ũguo oro rĩu. Kevin, how could you? Hihi nĩ ũrimũ ũrĩkũ tũrarĩrĩria haha? Kevin, what you feel for Jane is lust, not love. Nĩ thuti ya Jane ũraigua, not wendo. Kevin, love is quiet. Love nĩ gĩkeno ĩkũheaga, not gũgũtua confused. Love is what you and Kate mũiguaga for each other. Nĩ ndaigua na nĩ kũgeria kũriganĩrwo nĩ. Damn it, you do it right now, not tomorrow. Dan, can you do me one more favor, please? Hello? Yes? What? Yes? Please, speak to Kevin. What is it? Hello? What? Hang herself. My God. What? No. We are just on the way. We are just coming. Yeah. We are coming.
Hear the wind sing a sad old song. It knows I'm leaving you today. Please don't cry, or my heart will break when I go on my way. Goodbye, my love, goodbye. Goodbye and au revoir. As long as you remember me, I'll never be too far. Goodbye, my love, goodbye. I always will be true. So hold me in your dreams till I come back to you. See the stars in the skies above. They'll shine wherever I may roam. I will pray every lonely night that soon